Winterhead! Right now in Australia, isn't it?
Geez, mate, I think you might need more than the Hanomag. You might need a doctor by the looking of that.
Yeah.
You can borrow my doze anytime, Mark. And yeah, send me one of your hats. Winter's coming here soon. We get 7 degrees here, so I'll be needing one.
Yeah? Oh, thanks so much. That's so great. Maybe airmail or whatever. That's fantastic, really great. I wish you a handful of gold this week. Find some big nuggets for me.
Good luck with the snow.
Yeah, we can see us again. Fuck. Thanks. Bye bye. Greetings. Bye bye. Oh, holy moly. Really. Thanks so much. Best greetings. Bye bye.